Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, let's review the Puppy Town merge and win. Okay, so mapapansin nyo, ito yung apps niya. I already installed here, and this apps merge puppies and win big rewards, free to play, free to win. Okay, we have 4.1 reviews, 929 reviews, and 3 plus rated R, 50 million downloads. Sobrang dami nag-download nito. And about this game, so bago siyang March 16, bagong update po siya, March 16, 2021. Yan, kaka-update niya lang. And let's see kung anong meron at anong bago dito sa Puppy Town merge and win. Okay, sabi rito, win big prizes reward, $100 ang pwede daw kitain, and today's dividend share revenue, get lucky pa, collect OMG 186 point, Fortnite upgrade, discover 100% legit, Puppy Town win bigs. And napapansin natin, sobrang ang dami natin nakikitang ads about here. Okay, so 4.1 reviews. Okay, and then let's open the apps. Google is not sponsor, nor is it involved in any Puppy Town promotion, competition, or prizes. Welcome back. Okay, we have 648k. Get times 2 kasi nilaro ko na siya kanina. Sorry, this video is not ready, please and try again later. Okay, oh my god, ganun na kadami, 719. So makikita ninyo nasa level 6 na ako. Okay, so we have 738. Ang dami nating money dito ngayon. Okay, so i-merge lang natin itong mga Puppy Town. Ayan, merge lang, unlock a new kennel. So ganun lang siya laruin, merge lang ng merge. Okay, merge lang. And then may mga gifts din pag in-open natin. Upgrade to level 8. Okay, and then merong lumilipad. Let's open the box. And may ads na naman. Okay, tapos na ang ads. Okay, so anong merong bago dito? Actually guys, na-download ko na to before, then dinownload ko lang ulit para i-review ulit natin kasi bagong update siya. So sabi nila pwede ka raw kumita ng pera dito. So titingnan natin kung legit ba or scam. So mamaya we will see kung ano yung honest review natin for this app. Sobrang ang laki ng earnings pala dito. So daily login, magla-login lang tayo, may reward na 8.40k. And then buy puppies. So yan, pwede kang bumili ng puppies, merge 20 puppies, magkakaroon ka ng reward, get 30 puppies, open 10 gifts. So magbubukas ka lang ng gift at mag-watch ka ng mga video, may reward ka na ng 67 point. Ang laki. And then may mga achievement. So span, check lang natin mga achievement natin. And then ayun, grabe, 1.05 million na yung pera kagad natin. Magkano kaya ang equivalent ng 1.07 million? Na magkano kaya kikitain natin dito? Okay, at yung puppies natin. Okay, meron na ulit tayong bagong kettle. Grabe, sobrang dami ng ads dito guys. So I think kapag mga ganitong apps maraming ads, sana malaki din magbayad sila guys, no? Okay, so merge lang natin itong mga puppies. Okay, and then check natin. Okay, merge lang. So merge. So nakaka-enjoy siya. Oops, may ads na naman. And then ayan, so merge. In fairness, bagong update siya, mas malaki siya, mas marami silang ganap, mas malaki yung money nakukuha ngayon. Okay, and then yan, sobrang nakakatuwa itong laruin, sobra mag-enjoy ka talaga. Check din natin tong auto merge. Ayan, tinuturuan niya pa ako, may tutorial siya. And then auto merge, your puppy will be automatically merged after watching video. It will last 3 minutes. Okay, ads na naman. Grabe, paano kung matatapos yung games? Puro ads. Ayan, okay. yung may mga reward. Ang taas sa mga score. So, check natin. So, ito na nga yung tanong natin. Paano tayo kikita dito, guys? So, check natin yung mga settings, privacy, EULA, feedback. Wait lang. Hanapin natin yung login. Kasi pinlay ko lang to. Wala tayong login. So, guys, kahit saan hanap ko, wait lang nga. Achievement. Walang login, guys. Shop ito, oh. So, may mystery box, free. By Chihuahua. Okay, pwede tayong bumili. Wait lang. Ads na naman. Okay, so, daming ads niya, guys. Okay, so, hinahanap natin yung login. So, kailangan, ayun kasi yung login natin, yung email ad natin, kung paano tayo, yung account natin. So, walang login keme. And then, paano tayo mag-withdraw dito? Yung 1.37 million natin, paano natin siya mako-convert into our coins or points? So, wala. Ganun lang yon. Games lang pala ito. So, paano ka mag-earn? Paano ka kikita dito? Sabi nila free win to win. So, akala ko ba nag-update na, guys? Nakakaloka. Okay. And then, let's go back to their apps. So, wala rin cash out. So, ay na nga, let's see. Balikan natin. Sabi nila, merge puppies and win big rewards free to play. So, win big prizes, $100 today's dividends. Paano kami makakakuha ng $100? Wala nga login sa wala ring cash out. Tingnan natin yung mga reviews. Nakakaloka, niloloko tayo ng developer na to, ha. It's fake. It was good at first, giving a small amount of rewards, but it stops at $138. I'm receiving 2 points a month. It's not increasing. You'll never reach to $150 to cash out. I'm still receiving rewards, points, money, but it's not moving. I'm going to delete it now. I cannot attach proof of this fake game, but I don't waste your time playing to earn. It's for entertainment only, but it's not fun. Too many broken ads. Totoo, nakita nyo naman, guys, diba? Ang daming ads. The weird box. The ad said I will get $1 million every 2 weeks. Oo, diba? Nakikita natin to sa mga ads. In 2 weeks daw magkakaroon. Oo, nakikita ko nga to. Kaya din-download ko siya ulit. Actually, guys, this is my second time na i-download siya. Kasi, the first time na download ko to, nilalaro ko siya. Akala ko talaga mag-earn talaga. Pero ngayon, dahil bagong update siya, so chinek ko, ganun pa rin pala. This is cheap and rubbish application. I saw lots of ads and complete the puzzle for the gift prize. As soon as the number is 9, completed the puzzle completes. Puro 1 star, guys. OMG, bit mo yung mga ganito. Grabe naman, puro 1 star, oh. So, wala na. It's a scam. The price are fake. Sabi nila meron pa daw iPhone na price, and it makes you believe they aren't by saying that people won and stuff. I have been playing. Oh my god, ang daming reviews. So, paano ba yan? So guys, I think these apps, so kung gusto nyo laruin tong game, yung apps na to, for entertainment lang siya. So, hindi tayo pwede kumita pala ng pera dito, guys. Okay, so let's uninstall. So, hanggang dito na lang, guys. So, alam nyo na, it's a scam. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye!